2017. Trump has nothing to do with the economy or the stock market. So get it right, guys. We got it right. We're going to have a great 2018. Here's your daily reminder that people need to go to jail. Huma Abedin, married to a pedophile child molester, which I'm sure she knew nothing about, right? Forwarded top secret emails and passwords to her unclassified, obviously, Yahoo account, which, as we all know, Yahoo was hacked. And Yahoo themselves said every one of our email accounts was hacked. They were hacked by Russians who also had a weird Clinton connection. Folks, and the president tweeted about this morning, and he made reference to a sailor who was in prison. A sailor who was in a ballistic missile submarine and took some pictures. Hey, Mom, here's me in my workspace. He's in jail for taking pictures on a nuclear submarine because it's a top secret space. He's in jail. This Huma Abedin chick is running around fat, dumb, and happy, or actually skinny, dumb, and happy. Where are you, FBI? Where are you, Department of Justice? America is sick of this shit. We are sick of this animal farm justice we have going on, where all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. Jim Comey, Susan Rice, Huma Abedin, Hillary Clinton, all these people never thought they'd get caught. They were convinced she was going to win, and nobody would ever know any of this stuff. That's the scariest part, is that they all thought they'd get away with it. And then we've seen disgusting human beings at the FBI, political appointees, who once Trump did win, have been trying to bring the man down. It's treason. It's sedition. These people should be in jail. They haven't even been. We don't even have a grand jury, folks. Wake up, Department of Justice. We're getting furious. I got a bunch of torches and my pitchforks in the garage. We're coming for you guys next. Like this. Iran. Here's another. This is the first rant of the new year. So get comfortable. Iran. Notice Susan Rice, Obama's former, national security director. How's Trump help Iranians? Be quiet, folks. The quiet, the absolute near silence out of liberals about these Iranian protests, and the media's near blackout on it, is what? They are mortified that Barack Hussein Obama gave billions in on unmarked airplanes of our tax money to these mullahs, and now they're mowing down their own people who want to be free. You know why these liberals in the media are being silent? Because they know when, not if, these mullahs fall and these people break into all these buildings and read all the emails between Obama and Kerry and all those other dirtbags, we're going to see the true scale of their collusion with these people and enabling them to get nuclear weapons as well, folks. 2018, strap in, guys. It's going to be fun. Anyway, here we go. North Korea is still on the back burner. South Korea, the president of South Korea, his new call sign for me is Charlie Brown. The guy is an idiot. He's falling for cream of some young guys, peace overture. Hey, why don't we just cut out the United States? Why don't you and I sit down and talk? Let's just talk. He is buying time. He's going to be a full-blown nuclear power soon, where he can do anything he wants, or he can put all these chemical agents on a rocket, or even just load them on a freighter and pull them into San Francisco and kill 50 million Americans. He's buying time with this whole. It's a brilliant strategy. Hey, let's tug on South Korea's heartstrings. Let's sit down and talk, and let's try and have peace. We want to come to the Winter Olympics, as a matter of fact, next month. It's awful, folks, that the leader of South Korea is that stupid. He's going to fall for it. The president is going to fall for it. That's the biggest risk in 2018. Everything went up in 2017. Can that continue? Not only yeah, but hell yeah, folks. So the same idiots who predicted that Trump was going to lose and Hillary would win, and that if Trump won, the markets would crash, are now the same ones that are saying this market can't keep going higher. Folks, we haven't even seen this market start yet. Tax reform hasn't even started hitting the bottom line of companies as far as earnings, or people for that matter. I know $2,000 a year might not seem a lot to limousine liberals in Manhattan. It is to average Americans who are getting $2,000 back in their pocket, and each paycheck are going to be getting more and more of their money back, not the government's. Folks, you can't be more bullish on this. We had a great live trade brief this morning, the first one of the year. We took a look at a bull put spread on Amazon that expires on Friday, the 1172 and a half, 1170, risking about $5,000 to maybe make $2,000. Good looking trade on Amazon. We took a look at it. I was looking at a pre-market rate at 930, and then we put that. So here's that trade since we put it on. Good looking trade on Amazon, a weekly bull put spread, and then we took a look at an Apple bull put spread, the 160. Whoops, let me go out 3 months here. The 167 and a half, 165. So right around here and here. Apple is channeling, guys. I love this. Apple, you had the chance to be honest. I briefed it, guys. This story isn't new. If you're getting your news from CNBC or Fox Business and basing your trading off of that, you deserve to lose every penny of your hard-earned money. I briefed this 4 months ago, folks. I briefed this. I follow all the Booger Eater blogs and what goes on in Apple. I knew 4 months ago. I briefed my TGO members 4 months ago that Apple purposely slows down their older phones so it forces people to upgrade. Don't give me any of this bullshit about the battery there, Apple. You could have gone Gordon Gekko. You could have been honest and said, you know what, we do that. Yeah, it's our company. We can slow down our phones so it forces you to buy newer ones. That ain't illegal, guys. That's business. They could have Gordon Gekko'd that and looked great. I would have respected them more. Now they're, we're sorry. The only reason they're apologizing now, like a lot of people do, is when they get caught. Or when the lights come on in the kitchen and we really see where the roaches are, that's when people are sorry, right? Not when they're doing something, it's when they get caught. So Apple pulled back last week on that. I got bullish. Well, Wiz, why'd you get bullish? First of all, it's hanging around this 170. We're up 1% today, but we're waiting for the Apple and Amazon post-Christmas report, which they do every year, that says, and look at Amazon, looks like the same chart. The post-Christmas Apple and Amazon report that says, holy crap, this was our best Christmas ever. We took over Christmas. Forget about it. Nobody does Christmas better than us. Huge. So we put on an Apple bull put spread, and we're looking for good things out of that. Oil's steady above 60 as Iran is a little creepy. And liberals tell Trump to be quiet instead of, and remember in 2000, what was it, the Green Revolution, 2008-ish? Right? 8, when Obama stood with the mullahs and more or less against the Iranian people. Trump and Benjamin, isn't it crazy? The only two essential people in the world that are standing with the people who want to be free in Iran are Trump and Netanyahu. Where the hell is the Muslim world's terrified? They don't want people in charge. And Merkel, where's the liberal pieces of shit Merkel and Macron from France and Germany? Where's the leader of Great Britain? Why aren't they screaming from the rooftops to help the people in Iran be free? You see the true character of these people now, folks. It's awful. Thank God. Love him or hate him, folks. I love the guy. I think he's phenomenal. Have a great next 7.5 years, liberals. Oil prices expected to keep rising in 2018. That could be a rocky ride. We covered our ExxonMobil trades today. We had, what was it, 2 Fridays ago before Christmas, folks, we had a $12,000 day. We had FXI, Apple, Goldman Sachs, and ExxonMobil trades all expire for max profit of about $12,000 in a day. 4 trades, 1 expiration day. So we're going to get back into our iron condors on ExxonMobil here. Our ExxonMobil trades are looking great. What else is going on? Banks extend their winning streak. Tax and regulatory changes are giving banks a potent antidote to what? Low interest rates. Well, we got a Fed minutes. The Fed minutes are coming out on Wednesday. We'll see what the last time they met and they raised a quarter of a bip, what they're thinking. Or I think we're going to get a nice stair-step increase in rates in 2018, probably 4 interest rate increases. And then Friday, obviously, we get non-farm payroll, the unemployment number. 228 last time. We're looking for $1.89. I think we're going to come right in line. The unemployment rate is at multi-year lows, 4.1%. The average hourly earnings are what's important to me. Yes, I'm glad we're making new jobs and people are back to work and things are looking better. They need to start making more money. That's really the metric I'm going to be looking at. Couldn't be more bullish in 2018 for banks, except this bank can't stand Goldman Sachs. They got to take a $5 billion one-time hit to earnings, which essentially negates all of their 2017 earnings. I used to love Goldman Sachs. It was the Death Star. I'm a JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley guy right now. There's the Apple story. We're going to offer replacement batteries immediately because we got busted. I can't stand people who only apologize after they get caught. right? Just like Huma Abedin and the Clintons. Well, they haven't apologized for anything because they don't think they did anything wrong. Folks, if I, as a naval officer, sent one you guys really don't even understand what this classification level means, folks. This is get shot type of things. And these limousine liberals from Manhattan treat this, it's disgusting. As a naval officer, I would have been arrested. I would have been court-martialed. And I guarantee you I'd be in jail if I did anything with one email, top secret, or passwords. This lady, are you kidding me? It's just, you can't. Oh, man. Well, at least the president is tweeting about it today, thank God, and he's poking the deep state. He said, "Deep State Justice Department, where the hell are you, and why aren't these people like this at least being investigated or coming to jail?" This is what I posted this morning. As a naval officer, I would be in jail for doing this. A disgrace and miscarriage of justice. When is the FBI, DOJ going to investigate these crimes? We're sick of our animal farm justice system. All animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. Make sure you are following me, folks, on my Twitter at WizCheck6. Real quick, guys, if you didn't get our final last December 31st, my birthday was the last day you could get a lifetime membership, be a member for the rest of your existence, and you could even pass it on to your kin there. I agreed to that for $12.5. We got a couple people take that. I actually had one person email today saying, "Hey, can I still get the last year? What part of January 1st didn't you understand?" Yeah, you can become a lifetime member. It's $15,000. But for my current members, if you simply want coaching and a good deal on coaching, this is where you need to go. I briefed you on this in the primary live trade brief. I'm working on getting the replay posted here as the video renders. Still got about 20 minutes there. Head to go.topgunoptions.com/club. That's where you need to go, where you can find out how to get 2 30-minute or 1 hour session a month with me for the next year, where we're going to get together. We come up with an annual trade plan for you, and we have a couple of these guys right now. I met one of my guys in person last month because he was down here in Fort Lauderdale getting ready to go on a cruise. So that was pretty cool. So we can meet in person. We can meet virtually. We come up with a trade plan, an individual trade plan. My coaching is usually $600 an hour. For this rate, it works out to be $412 an hour. So, guys, if you didn't get the lifetime membership but you are interested in some coaching, head to go.topgunoptions.com/club, and that's where you need to go. All right, and like I said, folks, I mean, with the Amazon weekly trade, if that expires on Friday for max profit, that's nearly $2,500 in a week, and that's half of the Commodores Club with one trade. I told you 2 Fridays ago we made $12,000 in a day and 1 day of expiration. Take some of that money and invest it in some one-on-one coaching with me, guys, and you won't regret it. All right, folks, I got to run. Going forward, the flight schedule is 1 o'clock for everything, guys. 1 o'clock every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Our 4 live trade briefs will be at 1 o'clock every week going forward, okay? I did a good survey this morning, and I think that works out for everybody. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. God bless, and I'll see many of you tomorrow at 1 o'clock for Accelerated.